Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today in this video, we are going to start the new chapter named How Pleasant to Know Mr. Lear. This is a poem written by Edward Lear. In this poem, Edward Lear is describing himself. So, before we start the poem, let's know something about the author. Edward Lear was an English artist, illustrator, musician, author, poet, not now known mostly for his literary nonsense in poetry and prose, and especially his limericks, a form he popularized. Born 12 May 1812, died 29th January 1888. He was born in Holloway, United Kingdom. San Remo, Italy. Died in. Artwork Masada on the Dead Sea, Kinchinjunga, More. On view, National Gallery of Art, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, More. Parents Jeremiah Lear and Lear. Okay, students, all of you open your book and see on the page number 61. Here also you can read something about the poet. Here it is mentioned he was born in 1812, died in 1888, was an English artist, illustrator, author and poet who was renowned for his literary wordplay. He started work as a serious illustrator and his first publication was published when he was 19. In 1846, Lear published a book of nonsense verse, a volume of limericks that helped popularize this form of poetry. How pleasant to know Mr. Lear is Edward Lear's self-portrait. So, as I have told, in this poem, Edward Lear is describing himself. So, it will be fun to read the poem. Before starting the poem, I would like to introduce some words to you. The first word is stuff, that is material, article, samagri, padarth. Ill-tempered, who frequently gets angry, krodhi. Queer, strange, odd, vichitra. Pleasant, enjoyable, pleasing, sukhad. Concrete, hard, ठोस. Fastidious, very attractive or concerned, nakchadha. Remarkably, used to express surprise, apurv. Vices, a person's facial expression, मुख के भाव. Resembles, to have similar appearance, समान दिखना. Renciable, silly, murk. This word originally stands for a spoon that has a spoon and fork both. But here in the poem, this word refers to silly, that is murk. Reckon, calculation, garna. Dumps, silence, mourn. Sometimes the dumb word is also used for one who is stupid, but the original meaning of the word dumb is silence, that one who cannot speak. So here mourn. Spherical, shaped like sphere, golakar. Abide, obey, palan karna. Okay, students, in today this is enough. In the next video, I will explain the poem to you. Thank you and have a good day.